This year we again had a wonderful Mobile World Congress, and while most of the companies presented their best smartphones for early 2018, some of them were really interesting while some of them didn't get much attention. I am Musneer Ahmed and this is our Best of Mobile World Congress 2018. So it's time for us to choose the smartphone which we believe is the most futuristic, and the award of the most futuristic smartphone goes to Vivo Apex. It's the not best in case of specifications, but still the entirely bezel-less display and the camera hidden under a sliding shelf is nice touch to hide all the sensors present on the notch, and the under-display fingerprint scanner for half of the screen is just insane for a person who wants this tech to actually arrive on all the smartphones in near future. For the most attractive smartphone of the event, we got Nokia 8 Sirocco. Not only it is because of its iconic brandings and nostalgia, but it's more about developing a beautiful smartphone with 3D curved bezels and minimal top and bottom bezels. They also got Nokia's legendary solid build quality, and having Android One running out of the box is a great bonus, and this one really looks beautiful. And the cameras are really great, manufactured by the same Zeiss Optics who manufactured PureView camera for the Nokia before. And it's hard to ignore all of that despite of a generation old SoC and a 16:9 ratio display. Talking about the cameras, and now it's time to select the best camera phone of MWC, and the award simply goes to Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Samsung has really done a great step to enhance the mobile photography. S9 got a variable aperture which can shift between f2.0 to f1.5, which indeed takes low light photography on mobile to the next level. Otherwise, this Snapdragon 845 is a welcome addition, but we nominate this smartphone as the best camera phone of MWC 2018. Now it's time to choose the best low-end smartphone of the event. Alcatel has made very good smartphones in low-end. Alcatel 3V and 1X are really great choices if you are tight budget of $100. These smartphones have 18:9 displays but Android Oreo out of the box, not to mention Android Go in addition in the case of 1X. But overall, they are nice packages to have. And now for the most iPhone-inspired design smartphone. This award simply goes to Asus Zenfone 5. Many companies usually copy iPhone designs and it's a normal thing. But Asus has taken it to the next level with the similar notch screen to body ratio and even the camera position on the back, where there is also an option of a fingerprint scanner. Under the hood, it has a Snapdragon 845 and most surprisingly, it costs only half of the price of an actual iPhone 10. Only $500 is the best deal for those who want an iPhone design but not an iOS running on it. And that's for this video. Note that these nominations were made on the basis of the team at TechBox Productions and the trend of tech media this year. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and keep following us on YouTube and other sources for more coverage related to MWC 2018. And as always, stay connected my friends.